Hey guys, welcome to yet another amazing video in which we are going now to continue with our process of building a list, emailing that list and getting paid. Now up to this point we've already created our autoresponder. We've tested there to make sure that we've inserted the follow-up emails. We've created all this, everything in here we've created. We have everything, the autoresponder, the follow-ups, the thank you page and everything. And in our last video we tested out to make sure that everything works. In fact, that you find that when the lead comes in, they go to the thank you page, we get the welcome email, and then in both of them they get sent all the way to the affiliate product, where when they buy we get paid. Now that funnel example was done and we did it. Now in this video we are going to focus on the other part that makes sense. Now that we know that our funnel works, now we have to start working on our traffic. And with our traffic, like I said in other videos, you can decide to go the paid route, or you can decide to go the free route. Now for a while we are going to start discussing the free traffic sources, but in between in there, if then it necessitates, we are going to also discuss some paid traffic sources. But free traffic sources, seeing that not everyone might be in a position to pay for traffic, and as ever, going the free route sometimes does help, and in fact it's sustainable if you do it the right way. Now obviously paid traffic is faster, but then at the end of the day, if you are trying to build something that will continue to do its thing passively, whether you are putting in the man hours or not, now we have to go the free route. Now basically this is going to take some time, so over years you can see I've extended and to include a few things or ideas on how we are going to go about getting that free traffic. Now to begin with, if we don't want, let's say the best way that I know that I use is through blogging. I know. Currently, it's like blogging is not a thing that everyone wants to do, because it involves writing, it involves a whole lot, more so to even set up the entire blog. Because do you know that with the blogging, say we are doing a WordPress blog, which is the one that I would recommend, we'll need to have our own domain name, which is very crucial, because you saw in our autoresponder we will need that domain name. So there's no going or working around a domain name. We still have to buy it. So that is some money that we'll have to set aside for such a purpose, because at the end of the day you have to look professional and you will need that domain name. So that means that you will need like $12 over there. If you are broke, don't worry, I'm going to exactly show you what you are going to do about it. So as you can see, it said, blogging, you got the domain name, you are going to need hosting, theme and other things that maybe you might want, to include in your WordPress and all this, so that it may perform or function just the way that you want, because at the end of the day, but I'm going to show you a whole lot on how you can go about doing this, because this is something that I do, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how to do it, so that that traffic keeps coming in, day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. Yeah, in fact, you don't even need to do a whole lot. Once that blog is up and running and it's now, with enough posts in, that's it. It will always continue bringing you traffic, building your list, and then the entire process, as we saw, it's automatic. So if, for instance, you don't want to go through this route of setting up your own WordPress site, you've got some other free blogging platforms like Blogger, Wix and Site Rubix. Like for instance, this is just an example of Site Rubix. As you can see, it's all free. You can just start, and it's powered by Wealthy Affiliate, something that I told you, it's a good platform on which you can go and collaborate with other entrepreneurs, that are other affiliates who are also doing well. There are some who are starting, but at the end of the day, it's who you associate with. There are so many wealthy affiliates, on wealthy affiliate. So if you interact with them, ask questions, keep in touch with them, you are going to grow. And site Rubik's is just a part of wealthy affiliate. So I'm going to leave a link to wealthy affiliate below. You can just go and sign up if you haven't, and then you are going to get the entire site Rubik's platform in there also. Now there are also Blogger, and also you can get Wix. Wix is also another one that you can use to create whatever website you want, and all this and all that. They've got their own pricing structure. Blogger is also there. As you can see, currently it's just showing the post and all that, but Blogger is also another platform that you can use. So basically, as you can see, there are some options that you can go about with blogging. And then don't fear blogging. There are always ways I'm going to show you. If you don't want to write these articles yourself, there are so many ways you can go about and still achieve your intended goal of having your own blog. I'm going to show you all these things, including auto blogging, including all this, everything you are going to get on this channel. There's nothing that I'm going to leave out. Everything will be discussed, no matter how small. I'm going to discuss it with you. I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to show you how it's going to work and how you can implement it, so that you may be a success and decide however you want to do or go about your affiliate marketing business. But here's the point: all this works. It's all about you going through, following through all the entire videos, seeing exactly what it is that I'm recommending, and you just apply, take action, and all these things are going to work. Now if you don't have money, say you are broke, if you have money, everything is easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about doing all these things. But say you are broke, you're watching this video and you are broke, or money is tight, and you just want to raise money from zero, from absolutely zero. There's nothing else you are bringing in or spending online. You just want to raise that money from zero. Now there's a very good platform from which you can do this from, and that is Pico Workers. Now Pico Workers is a place whereby you find that you come in, you do some small tasks. They are really cents. They don't pay that much, but they do add up, as you can see. If you take the time and you put in the work, within 2 days or say a week, if you are doing it slowly, you should be having enough money to buy all these things that you want. And in fact, they also have a referral program whereby you can also leverage it, and then you can also be able to be getting money from here, Pico Workers, and then you just buy whatever it is that you want to buy online, whether that be other blogs, whether that be hosting, whatever it might be. It could even be products that I'm recommending on this channel. You could just come in and raise that money from zero on this Pico Workers. I'm also going to leave a link to them below, so that you can come in and take action. It's not much. In fact, it doesn't really take a whole lot to do all these things. Personally, I've gone in, I've done 1 or 2 things to see exactly how it is that it works. And trust me, this is so simple to do. There's nothing that is complicated over here. You don't need to know a whole lot or be experienced. It's just paint by number style. You are just asked simple things, go here, take a screenshot, do this, browse here, click here, something. It's so simple. So if you want to raise that money from zero, and you are broke, and you just don't feel embarrassed or start feeling as though you are some big shot, you can't do these things, you are better. No, relax. People are doing this. In fact, people who are actually making a whole lot more, because at the end of the day, if it's making you money, it's making you money. And if you can take advantage of Pico Workers and use it as a way of funding your online ventures, whether that be you want to test buying cryptos, you want to test doing this is a good site to make sure that you are making money that way. And as I said, they've got their own referral system from which you also be getting paid. Let's see. From here, as you can see, personally I've referred like 69 people, so but basically this is it. You can expect to be getting 5% from each task or deposit. for these tasks. Personally, these people that I've referred to, it was an example, a test, they haven't been working, that much. But the thing is that, as you can see, when they do work, you do get something. It all depends from where you are getting the referrals from. There are some referrals from where, when you get them, they work. As you can see, this traffic source, the referral that I got worked. This one also worked. They came, they tried. As you can see, with these ones, they are yet to. But at the end of the day, as you can see, if you do increase your referrals, this money is going to add up quickly. This money is going to add up quickly because, at the end of the day, it's how much you put in. So come into this website, take advantage of all these things, and if you are going to raise money from zero, if you are broke. Now, the another alternative is very simple, and I'm also going to show you how to go about it, is by creating product reviews and posting them on YouTube. Now, with this method, you are going to put in the work, and then you are going to make affiliate sales, and from those affiliate sales, once they've cleared on Warrior Plus, you are going to get paid. Once you are paid, then you can come and buy all these things. Now, the good thing about going the product review direction on YouTube is that when you get paid, you are really getting paid a whole lot faster. But at the end of the day, Pico Workers is also good because, you don't have to wait. You don't have to guess whether someone is going to buy or not. You are going to make money regardless. But with YouTube, you have to put in the work before you get paid. But at the end of the day, it will all depend with you and what it is that you want to do online or to achieve online. But at the end of the day, this is going to help you, get your own blog set up, give you the money that you need to buy everything that is needed to have your own blog up and running. Also, you can, if you have the money, you can also directly just find an already established website or blog and just buy it and begin to start from there. That is also going to give you an advantage because it's going to come with already an existing traffic, that is already going on. So you just come in and you start tapping in, building your list, making money, So this is one way to go about it, And now the other way is that you can also start, taking advantage of, say, other sites like, answer sites like Quora. You go to Quora, you become very helpful, answering questions and all this, then giving a link to your squeeze page. Some of these posts, you are going to generate traffic that way. And the good thing about Quora is that they are targeted. They are actually people who are genuinely asking, they want solutions and all that. Then you can build your list that way. The other alternative is by using social media sites, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all these social media sites. You go in, build your profile, build your follower base, whatnot. You start promoting your squeeze page to them. They come in, and then the funnel is picked up and all that. The good stuff starts happening. Now, the other idea is also to use things like ad boards, safe lists, traffic exchange sites, and all this. It will all depend with however you want to go. Now, the other way is also to go about getting free traffic sources, and we are going to see them in also future videos. But just to give you an overall visual of what you can expect from future videos, as you can see, we are going to be diving deep on each and every one of these methods. We are going to see exactly how do you perform, how do you function, how do you set up all these things. There's nothing that I'm going to leave out out of this video or training. I'm going to show you and share everything, so that you can pick whatever it is that you want, implement whatever it is that you feel comfortable doing or following, or implementing, and at the end of the day, you can build your list, you can mail that list, and you can get paid. Now, obviously, also down in the description, I'm going to leave also links to other useful resources. Like I showed you earlier, we've got the recurring income kit, we've got also the secret email system. All these things, they are there to help you. Even Wealthy Affiliate, they are all there to help you, to ensure that you are a success with affiliate marketing. So basically this is that video whereby I was to show you exactly what you can expect in coming videos, whereby we are now going to start dealing with free traffic sources, and I'm going to show you how to build all these things up so that at least you can have your own affiliate business set up just right, just the way you want for success. Now that's it for this video. If you found value out of it, like always, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss any single video. Turn up that notification bell and hit that thumbs up button. Now that's it for this video, and until the next one, happy earning and God bless you.